Alright, we got this big old amplifier. Picture's all shaky on here. I think it's just my cell phone. Anyway, let's see. Heard it's blown up. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 driving 8. Alright, this should be fun. Hopefully I can make this thing sing. Alright, the problem with this amplifier, as suspected, is the driver section. The first two 2SC 2290s, one of them is open. There's no resistance, base collector emitter. The other one is iffy, so it's most likely stressed out and it should be replaced. The other one's obvious. Anyway, they go to this amplifier, and that's the driver section right there. Those two. And then those two drive the 8 back here. So it should work after I get them transistors in here.